Hello, in this video I am going to talk about running BioKepler workflows on virtual machine within the Amazon EC2 cloud computing platform. We will start off by some important EC2 links to set up AWS account. Next, I will show you how to launch and connect to an Amazon EC2 virtual machine. I will talk about how to set up a VNC connection to an EC2 instance. Then I will cover how to run BioKepler workflows on EC2 instance through command line and through graphical user interface or virtual desktop. With that, let's get started. For the first time users of Amazon EC2 services, here are the few EC2 links. To sign up, go to the following link and follow the instructions. The second step is to create a key pair. The key pair is used to make secure connections to your instances. The third step is to create security group. The security group acts as a firewall controlling inbound and outbound traffic for associated instances. Once you have created AWS account, sign in using AWS account credentials. Open EC2 Management Console and select US East region, as our BioKepler image is in US East region. Then select AMIs under Images section. To search BioKepler image, first select Public Images and then search BioKepler AMI by its name or by image ID. An AMI is used to create a virtual machine within the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. To create virtual machine, select the AMI and click on Launch. The virtual machine created by instantiating AMIs is called an instance. Amazon EC2 provides flexibility to choose from number of different instance types to meet your computing needs. We recommend medium as a minimum instance type for BioKepler workflows. The wizard will navigate you to configure instance name as well as key pair and security group. You can review the information before launching the instance. The running instance will appear under the Instances tab, and you can connect to the instance or virtual machine by selecting the instance and clicking Connect. The wizard will give you public DNS of the virtual machine as well as the command line to connect to the instance. Paste this command line to the terminal and change the user from root to Ubuntu. You can run BioKepler workflows either through command line or through GUI. I will first demonstrate to run BioKepler workflows through command line. To run BioKepler workflows through command line, go to directory /opt/Kepler and then use following command to run BioKepler workflows, where this is the path to the BioKepler workflow that you want to run. I am running Blast BioKepler workflow with local execution choice. You can give different execution choices like Hadoop map only, Stratosphere map only. For Hadoop map only, you have to first make SSH to localhost passwordless and then format the name node by running following command. To run BioKepler workflows through GUI, from your local machine, create an SSH tunnel to your EC2 instance. To do this, open up a terminal session and type the command for port forwarding as shown on the screen. Once on the virtual machine, before accessing instance via VNC for the first time, change VNC password by running the following command. Start a VNC session. To open a VNC session of appropriate dimension, use geometry switch in the command. Once the VNC session starts, open your VNC viewer or screen sharing application and type the following command to connect to the virtual desktop. You have to enter password that you set with VNC password command and connect to the virtual desktop. Once you are connected to the virtual desktop, you will see terminal as well as BioKepler launch icon. Double click on kepler.sh icon and BioKepler will start. Navigate to the BioKepler workflow that you want to run. Open the workflow and click on Run. Step-by-step procedure to use BioKepler Amazon EC2 image can be found under this link. The link below gives detailed procedure to configure VNC for Mac, Windows and Linux users. Follow video running BioKepler demos to know how to run a BioKepler workflow. Appreciate you listening. Have a great one.